My name is Maurice Wallace, and my company is Lone Star Catering, and I'm also a special instructor at Go Lightly Career and Tech Center. Cooking is bigger than me. I look at it really as like people pay me to play in the kitchen. So I have fun with what I do, and I enjoy it. A chef that I admire the most, and it's actually my mother. It was something about, you know, the elders and food and how they took care of the food. You take it out the package, you clean it off, you season it up, you put it in the oven, you watch it, you pay attention to it, you take care of it, you pull it out the oven and look at your prize and what you accomplished, and then you just eat it all up. When I found out Lexus wanted to have me a part of Lexus UnCorked, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was a scam. I did. I went online, I Googled it, I'm like, wait a minute, this is for real. When I got to talking to one of the reps, it was a humbling, real humbling feeling that came over me, like I was one of the chosen people. And it gave me a confidence like, okay, now I gotta come with it. They came to me, so now I gotta come back.